Redmi K80 series is launching on November 27th in China. The series will include only two models, the Redmi K80 and K80 Pro. Redmi K80 Pro come in 4 colors. The brand has officially confirmed that all phones in the series will feature a 2K resolution screen developed by TCL Huaxing. It has 1800 nits of global peak brightness and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Both will feature an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Redmi K80 Pro offer IP68 plus IP69 protection. The Redmi K80 feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The Redmi K80 Pro features Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Redmi K80 Pro achieving a score of over 3 million points on AnTuTu 10. The phone will have a triple camera setup: 50 megapixel LYT 800 primary camera, 50 megapixel telephoto camera, and 32 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, 20 megapixel selfie camera. The Redmi K80 Pro have a 6000 mAh capacity battery with 120W wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging. The Redmi K80 and K80 Pro, which could be rebranded as the Poco F7 and F7 Pro in markets outside of China in 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.